If you're an adult who loves the water, as long as it doesn't go past 5 feet, and you want to learn to swim, then this is the place for you. I'm Corey, and I've been teaching beginning and fearful adults for over 20 years. And I love bringing freedom and joy from dipping your toe into the water to jumping off the back of the boat in the beautiful Hawaii waters. On this channel, I share tips and secrets that no one tells you about, both the physical and the mental steps needed to be safe and confident and at ease in the water. Subscribe to my channel. Every Thursday, I'll post a new video with a tip or a trick to help you safely find your way to confidence and joy, so you can take that trip without missing out, move your body in new ways, all while taking great care of yourself.